In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add clickable link in Telegram Story. This is crucial for enhancing user engagement and driving traffic to external resources. It provides viewers with a seamless way to access websites and promotions, making it easier for them to take action. First off, let me copy my YouTube channel link to Clipboard. This is the link we are going to add to our Telegram story. Now head to Telegram. Tap on the story icon at your upper right. You will then choose any photo or video to add. Now to create a clickable link, simply tap onto this sticker icon. You will see the option of link. You just want to tap on it and paste in your link. Now, as of the time of recording this video, this feature is only available for Telegram Premium users only. So to access adding of links to Story, you must have subscribed to Telegram Premium. Well, that's how easy it is to add clickable link in Telegram Story. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.